train. It is CSX. Did I see one or two trains? Wow, that was a short train. It was only like a couple cars. Well, that means like 120 K&T Productions here. I've been looking for trains all day, and I couldn't find any. And here it comes right now. The train. It is a... Hold on. It's coming. Hopefully. CSX.
Here comes a train. See what it is. CXX.
Trackmasterkid5 here. I heard a train. And it sounds really close. Yep, here it comes. It's almost nighttime. This is awesome. Here it comes. It's a... CSX. Hey guys, Trackmasterkid5 here. And CSX 1 to 20, if you're watching this video, you were right. There is a CSX westbound coming, and here it comes. You better come quick, because my battery's about to go dead. My flashlight is on, but I guess it can't reach that far. Here it comes. It is a... Here it comes. CSX. Wait a minute. It looked like the train was light.
Get up front of the cars.
Okay. Here it comes. CSX 7731 and 7336. It looks like a... It's a Canadian National. Oh, I forgot to tell you in that last video.
Wait a minute. No,
that was a CSX.
Oh yeah,
I think I already told you.
And
Canadian
then
National. It's rare, I think. CN is now running. It's really slowly. Woo! Scare me again. That time.
We got built that damn street so all they got be coming from a dead spot.
Yeah, I was
Got
like,
all them cars got jacked up.
yeah, because he's going so slow.
Yeah, you got to build that power up.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Stop. Nope. I hope it doesn't do that again. Canadian Canadian National. Now I know what the number is. 2326.
Get over there closer, Tyler.
And Canadian National 2157. It's heading out to the yard. I'm back at the Centralia Amtrak station. Here comes the train. It's gonna blow right in my ear. It's gonna be on this line right here, this first line. I'm gonna be really close to it. Canadian National. Canadian National 2322, and the guy waved at me. That's lucky. And 8021. Just one of the tracks. You better get off. Oh, he's probably stopped walking. Here comes the Amtrak. Here comes the Amtrak. Amtrak 34. There's another train down there, but it stopped. Here comes the train. It's on this line, right? This is on the second line of Canadian National Amtrak. There's 3 engines, I think. Yep, Canadian National. 88. 2112 and 5742. Being that it's smoking coal. The second engine, that's the old stupid train. The second engine has the old BNSF logo. BNSF 8752 and 8980. Well, I think that looks a little bit older than the GMTX and some other rare trains. It's a Santa Fe Intermodal train. That is so cool. Awesome. Here we go, guys. Trackmasterkid5 is back with some more Railfanning. About time I caught a train. I missed a KSC, which my friend caught. It is Union Pacific. So we got Union Pacific on the CSX today. I don't know what kind of train is this, but I'm just going to call it a boxcar train. That's what it looks like so far. CSX 341 and 7727. This is after an Illinois Central went by. I mean, a CN from Illinois Central. Hey guys, Trackmasterkid5 here, and he's back at Centralia doing some awesome rail fanning. Take a look. And that stopped, introducing the model Amtrak. Amtrak 93. I can't see it though. It's NS. The NS intermodal train's on there. You can't see it. Let's get it under view. Let's see. It's NS 6788. You can't see it very well because of the train. And I can't. It looks like 7637. Right, here we go. Doesn't sound like a CN unit. It might be, but I might be wrong. Let's see. It's on this line right here. There we go. Let's see. We'll never know. It might not be a CN. Can't see. It's CN. It is CN. Yep, that's definitely UP. Yep, that's definitely Union Pacific. Norfolk Southern. Six eight oh one 6801 and 2547. An old horn. Feel like, yeah, I guess. It's Illinois Central.